Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about how to grow small forex accounts. Let's say you don't have enough money to start trading with, and you probably can only afford let's say $100, $50, let's say $200. Those are still small accounts. Of course, the definition of a small account is relative. For some people, $1,000 is a small account, but this video is just about how you can trade with whatever you consider to be a small account and actually grow it into something that can actually make a difference in your life. By the way, if you are looking for good, reliable forex brokers, see the links that I've got in the description box below. They're actually very suited to trading or growing very small accounts, because you can actually start trading with those brokers with just a $5 deposit, $10 deposit. How I would go about it: let's say I've got $100. How I would go about it is I would go into the description box, choose a broker. I would deposit $10 or $20. Then I start trading and get the hang of whatever instrument that I'm going to be trading or whatever strategy that I'm going to be trading. Once I know how to handle that thing, this is in real life market conditions. Once I have a hang of how to handle that thing, then I can go ahead and deposit the rest of my trading capital. So see the links in the description box below if you're looking for good, reliable brokers that allow for very small deposits. The second thing that I want to talk about is choosing what you trade carefully. You need to choose what you're going to be trading with that small capital carefully. I would stay away from things like silver. I'll be honest with you, I've traded silver with $20 accounts, $10 accounts, but I would still caution against trading an instrument like silver. It pays a lot in terms of pip value. You can quickly make a lot of cash. That is if you are on the right side of the market. That is if you're on the right side of the market. So silver, it doesn't move a lot. It's a small market, but when it moves, it pays. But because sometimes it doesn't move and sometimes it moves weirdly, it's one like instrument that I would not say double with it with less than $100. What I would say you can try to trade with less than $100 or $100 is a pair, for example, like gold. Whoa, gold moves, guys. On a given day, gold can actually move more than 500 pips. It can just move. If you manage to catch the right direction, you can quickly start growing that account, even using 0.10 lot size. I've done it before. Gold. And let me emphasize on this one: if you are trading very small accounts, very low capital accounts, don't be tempted to do what I see other people doing, where you are trading everything under the sun. That's a terrible idea. What you want to do is you are going to choose only one pair, whether it's gold or Euro USD, GBP USD. Those are also my favorite pairs with small accounts, because Euro USD, GBP USD can also move around about 250 pips a day when things are slow. When there's good news, well, it can be more. So you can also, and you're guaranteed of movement on those pairs. You don't want with a small account to be trading a pair that actually never goes anywhere, because you might actually also rely on a strategy of scalping or just day trading. Can you swing trade with a small account? Yes, you can, but you will make money with that, but not at the rate of somebody who is doing a scalping or day trading with that small account. You know, day trading is you trade for the day. You never leave any positions open in the night when you close off your trading platform. That's day trading. Swing trading, you can hold trades for several days, even sometimes up to weeks. Or position trading, there's what's called position trading, where you can actually hold positions for even months, several months. I've seen people who can actually hold positions for like 10 months. You can't do that with a small account, because the goal with a small account is to grow it quickly into something meaningful. What I used to do back in the day was to actually take $10 accounts to $200 accounts to $200. Then I just withdraw and keep the 10, keep the 20, keep the 50, grow it to around 200 again, or 300 or 500, withdraw, because I also was living off the trading. Now I can afford not to leave the money in the account so that it grows, because now I've taken the money that I've been using from trading to actually now starting to invest in other things. So getting back to the point of growing small accounts, what you want to do is choose a single pair. Understand that pair, focus on that pair. You also want to use on one strategy. I would say scalping, if you are hoping for quick wins and also hoping to generate as much money as you can. One pair can be synthetics. I do trade synthetics. I only trade volatility 75. I've traded the other ones, boom and crashes, the step indexes. I never liked them. I only trade volatility 75. I can start trading with just $10, get it to $100, $200, $300, $500, withdraw. I've done my job. That's how you start growing a small account. Then you also want to find only one. I think I spoke about only one strategy. Scalping. Find a scalping strategy that works for you, or a day trading strategy that works for you. Then you also want to master psychology, because you are trying to grow a small account. Sometimes it gets frustrating, because sometimes you might move 10 steps forward and you move 15 steps backwards. It's very easy to give up in that scenario, because things are not moving the direction that you want them to move in. So the key is also to master your psychology, because you are doing scalping. Scalping is dangerous, guys. You make money, but there are also chances of blowing your account. It's things that you need to understand as you are trying to grow a small account. What tips do you also have about growing a small account that you can share with everybody out there who is looking to grow a small account? Leave them in the comment section below. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.